Hey there folks, Chuck here, and got a box in the mail from days gone by. This was my Black Friday shopping back when I had a job. But it finally arrived from Spain. This is a box from Green Stuff World that I wanted to show off. This was, again, made possible because of my amazing patrons, and because they helped pay for this, I wanted to show you what they got. So it's kind of cool. It comes with a little color wheel decal. I got a few things from their Black Friday sale that I am itching to try out. I think would be a lot of fun. And just casually throw these peanuts. So, how is everybody doing? Hope you had a good Christmas or holiday season for whatever you celebrated. I hope it was a good one and you stayed safe. I was at home. I was able to have some Christmas cheer with some family who also had come down with COVID, and we were all still positive, so I figured, well, we can't get any sicker, and the doctor said go for it. So we did, and it was nice. I got some really nice stocking stuffers, a few cool tools, including, do I have it here? Oh yeah, I got my amazing wife and patron Carolyn got me some Mr. Weathering color multi-black. I'm very curious to try out. I've heard good things about it. Not really sure what the difference is on it, but like I said, I've heard good things. That'll be something I'll be trying later, but that's not what we're here for. So, first thing I got this interesting crackle paint from Green Stuff World. It's kind of a like the regular crackle effect that you can get, but with the pigments already in it. It's got kind of a reddish brown effect to it, so I was very curious to see how this did with, actually I think this was like a darker color because I wanted to try and do it to make cracked asphalt. So so that's a cool thing that I wanted to try. Splash gel, which is for making splash effects. So I've got pretty much all I need from my basic paints now, so I'm going more for, you know, crazy special effects type stuff because I really want to up my game there when it comes to special effects, including things like coagulated blood. Spooky. So I got coagulated blood and true blood because I wanted to mess with them, and they have these paints have like this really cool multi-tone effect to them, so they're more than just, you know, your typical red paint or dark red brown. So it's got like a transparent, glossy, water-based finish, according to the label that I'm reading right now. Anyway, I've heard good things. I've seen good things. I wanted to do something with it. And I thought this was just too wild to pass up because, again, they were having a good sale on things. This is their Vomit color. I thought that would be interesting to mess with. It actually creates like a really interesting, like, greenish brown mossy effect that I think would look really good as mildew. So that's why I wanted to try that. Also, because who doesn't want to paint in vomit? That's cool. This is interesting. I don't know if you've seen any videos on this. I can't wait to try this out. It's called Liquid Frost, and it has some kind of crystalline agent in it that you brush it on and it creates crystals. Like crystals literally grow on whatever it is that you paint on it. It says not to do it on a porous surface, but because I guess the crystals soak into it. But I saw cool effects on windshields and cool stuff on like plants and stuff, and I was just like, for the money, I had to try this stuff out. So expect a video on that soon. I did bite the bullet and buy spider serum because it was on sale, and I was genuinely curious if I think this is what I think it is, and if it is just acetone, or at least acetone based. So we're gonna find that out right now. Yeah, it's definitely, oh, I know that smell. It's not acetone. Should probably not do this too much. It smells like a mix of acetone and model cement. So that's interesting. Like I had used, I think I used Goof Off to clean that cobweb stuff when I did the cobweb video, and that seemed to work. It's got kind of a similar effect. I really shouldn't have sniffed that. Don't do that, please. Whew, okay. And mud effects. I was just curious about how their mud effects work compared to like AK Interactive and Vallejo's stuff. So they were running some kind of like, it was like 20 or 25% off all their stuff. So I was like, why not? And, you know, now I get to put all that stuff for work. Put all that stuff to work, rather. So, okay, now moving on to the main event. Got the stuff from SK75 that I got for my birthday and for Christmas. I have a December birthday, so kind of all piles up into one. My parents got me a couple of kits for my birthday based on my recommendation, and I even got to order it for them. So I just wanted to run through these really quick. I know I've done unboxings on his other stuff, but this one was really intriguing to me. I mean, I plan to do most of my stuff more US based in dioramas, but this was just such a cool looking kit from what I saw. And I like the multi-layers, the way he's layered brick effects like that. And I just thought, oh man, you know. And then he had that sale going on in November, so I talked to them and was like, hey, you know, here's what I'd like. And my parents came through in a big way, so thank you to them. So there's all the, looks like all the hinge pieces, there's all the little acetate for the windows, there's even little round cut ones for the round windows, and as usual, all of his stuff comes with really nice laser etched SK Works like keychain loop, although don't put that on your keychain, it's far too fragile. So I'm just amazed at the details on this stuff. You know, we've got great brickwork. Like this stuff actually inspired me, again back during the before times. I actually got a CNC and laser etcher because I want to learn how to do this, and I don't think I'll ever be able to do quite what he's doing because the stuff is just so refined and he is so detailed. And, you know, everything is just laid out so nicely, and I'm going to ruin it all by moving it. But I want you to see what you're getting and how, you know, yeah, it's not super cheap. Oh, looks like something broke there. Well, that's a bummer. Now, I'm sure I'll find it and fix it. But what you're getting is just like, he has left nothing to chance as far as detail work goes. It is just like, these windows are just so nice. And you've got really nice doors, and the doors have backings to them. And this is just going to be a killer display for, I want to do like kind of a barn find setup full of European sports cars. And yeah, just really excited about that. So let me know in the comments what you think of this stuff. If you've ordered anything from Chris at SK75 Works before. I have, with this unboxing, completed the set for, I think, everything he ordered, or everything he offers in a laser etched setup. For now. I know he's actively working on more stuff, and I cannot wait to see that. So, next, the pits, which I got for Christmas and haven't even opened yet. Not even crack it, so we're going to crack it right now. That was really doing a bang-up job here. Okay. So, again, I cannot stress enough what you're getting here as far as a well thought out quality kit with, you know, color imaging and diagrams of everything inventoried, and just incredible instructions, you know, step by step, everything you need. It's really well packaged. A ton of tissue paper that you can use for making tarps on your stuff later. Again, the ubiquitous SK75 Works loop. I have them decorated all over my shops. I make them. Which I am going to make them. I know I've done like a million unboxings of diorama kits and not built any, but this will be my last unboxing of diorama stuff before I actually start building. This new year, we are going all in on Ellis family projects, and that includes channel Flying Valiant. So there's going to be a lot more stuff for me, a lot more builds, a lot more interactions on the Patreon account, and a lot more opportunities to put this stuff in action, because I'm not going to be able to afford to buy any more stuff for a while. So, so I've got plenty of kits cut out for me, so I might actually sit down and build a few of them. That's really a nice thing. I really like on this one, on his kits, he makes sure they all have like skylights and stuff, so you can have them assembled and still be able to see through. And again, you know, just really well thought out, with, you know, perfectly cut windows. And again, I cannot stress enough how cool these kits are. I'm gonna get rid of some of this bubble wrap here because I've made a mess of things. I want to be able to shut the box. All right. So that's very cool. Now, the new one. The unit is his latest kit. And this one really stood out to me because I loved his new works set as an industrial building. Like kind of a mixed purpose industrial building, but I love that this one was just like a flat out warehouse and just a huge blank slate. And he's got, you know, I really love the doors with the little push things, and the door frames, just incredible. And I like that this has kind of a thicker, like the top is wider than the bottom. You've got the brick on the bottom and then like the corrugated steel on top, and just absolutely incredible as far as, I know I say that a lot. There's his card, so check him out. Of course, I'll have the link in the description. Oh yeah, I got these. I did a Porsche for the Twice Diecast channel. It used to be known as the worst YouTube channel ever, where I weathered a Porsche for him that had the Apple livery on it, and I liked it so much I bought a couple of decals for myself because I want to build that car now. Even though I've already sort of built that car. And again, another sticker, acetate, all the pieces. Again, just really high detail. Just the brickwork is incredible, and it's got just feels like the right depth to it. Just looks so good. So again, cannot wait to get my hands on it and really start digging in. You know, just great, you know, girder pieces, and just cannot recommend his stuff enough. So anyway, that's that. Like I said, last unboxing diorama stuff video until I actually start doing it, but just wanted to share a little bit of the last gasps of the things that I'd picked up before I dove in and started doing, you know, just this. And it's been really good. I really appreciate everybody who has hired me to do commissions. I've gotten a lot of commission work lately, and that's helped a lot with being able to continue the hobby on top of the patrons. And so I've been doing a lot of custom decals and a lot of builds, and I've been doing so many commissions that it's been hard for me to turn out some videos. But new videos are coming very soon, and I've got a lot of really great stuff planned for 2021. So again, thank you for sticking with me. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all the amazing comments and the support, you know, through all of this. It's been an insane year for me and a crazy year for everybody. And I'm so grateful for everyone who's followed along with my journey. And I can't wait to see what 2021 brings for all of us. Hopefully amazing and good things. So, you know, stick around, please subscribe, ring the bell, all that good stuff, because I think you're going to like what's in store. So, as always, I'd like to thank you for coming along with me for the ride. So until next time, stay fresh, cheese bags.